So students, let us recall some of the concept we have already learnt in our previous classes. So this sum is a continuation of our last video. So let us subtract the numbers and write it. So this is all a simple numbers, how we can subtract in our mind and we can write it. So 15 minus 0 is how much? As always I said, if you add or subtract by 0, you will get the same number. So it is 15 itself. Okay, but 15 into 0 is 0. 15 divided by 0 is 0. But 15 plus 0 is 15. 15 minus 0 is also 15. Remember that. Next, 37 minus 36. So 37 is a number which comes next to 36. So then how much? It is just 1. So the difference between both the number is 1. So 93 minus 93, how much? It is 0. Again 18 minus 5. So 18 minus 5 is 13. Again 47 minus 1. If we take 1 from 47, we get 46. So 50 minus 45. What is the difference between both? It is 5 numbers difference. So these are all the numbers. It is a difference between the given numbers. So subtraction is nothing but what is the difference we are taking from the given numbers. So I hope you understood this concept. So students, let us subtract the given 3-digit numbers. So we know how we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, let us now solve the numbers. So 7 minus 7, how much? Is this 0. So from 8, if I subtract 2, if I take 2, how much I'll get? I'll get 6. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 160. Let us move to our second problem. Here I have 3, here I have 6. Is it possible to subtract number 6 by 3? No, right? So now what we have to do? We have to take carry from next number. 2 becomes 1, 3 becomes 13. If I give 1 carry to 3, it will not become 4, it will become 13. So that I have written 1 here. Okay, so from 13, if I subtract 6, I will get 7. So now here I have only 1, not 2, because I gave carry to this number. So from 1, I cannot subtract 7. So I would take carry from 6 becomes 5, 1 becomes 11. From 11, if I subtract 7, I get 4. Okay. Then from 5, if I subtract 3, I'll get 2. So I got 247. I hope you are understanding this. Next, here I have 2. From 2, is it possible to subtract 3? No, right? Because 3 is greater than 2. So let us take carry from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 1. Sorry, 2 becomes 12. From 12, if I subtract 3, I'll get 9. Again, I have 4 here. Is it possible to subtract 6? No, right? So take carry. 5 becomes 4. 4, this 4 becomes 14. So 14, if I subtract 6, I get 8. Now from 4, if I subtract 2, I'll get 2. So I got 289. So our last problem, again I have here 3, 4. So I'm going to take a carry. So students, see that immediately if I take carry, I'm going to rub this number and mention a lower number. Because if I forgot to mention here, if I subtract from 5, the sum will become wrong. So as soon you are taking carries, cancel this and whichever number comes here, right? And now from 13, if I subtract 4, I will get 7. Sorry, 9. Okay. Now I have 4. 4 I cannot subtract 6. So taking carry. See, immediately I am going to cancel 4 and writing 3. So here I am going to give carry. From 14 if I subtract 6 I will get 8. So from 3 if I subtract 2 I will get 1. So I got 189. So this is how we have to take carry, how we have to subtract the given number. So always taking carry, we have to cancel the number and we have to mention first, so that our sum will not become wrong. So I hope you understood with this. So practice once. If you have any doubt, ask in the group. So thank you so much for watching the video.